Hey y'all, hey! In today's video, we will be giving my apartment a mini makeover. Blessed to see another day, and of course, thankful for another year. Y'all know I love to decorate, out with the old, in with the new, and y'all definitely don't want to miss the finished product, so stay tuned and I'll see y'all inside.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Hey y'all, hey! It's your girl, Danny Simone, the real Danny Simone.
Period.
Back with another video, and today I got my fluorescent pink hair on, okay? It is my birthday month, so prepare to be sick of me, okay? Please and thank you in advance. I mean, I definitely did that.
Period.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, you can't say I didn't do that. I got the curls popping. 36 looks good on me, okay? Thankful for another year. My birthday is actually not till March 31st, so, and as you can probably imagine, yes, I am one of those extra Aries that celebrate the entire month of March. So with that being said, what better way to pre-celebrate than to give my house a much needed makeover? And I know some of y'all are probably saying, girl, why are you doing a makeover and you getting ready to move? If you've been paying attention, you would know that. Make sure you turn them post notifications on. I tell y'all this in every video. My thought process is, as I'm going through things and throwing things away or donating things that we are definitely not taking with us to the new place, I can kind of get things together in the process, and that'll make things easier for us when we do move. So that's what we're going to be doing today. As you can see, things are looking a little bit different already in the back. I have started working on things already. That said, this video here has been a work in progress over a span of a couple days time, okay? So that explains why I have not posted in a couple of weeks, because I've been trying to get this house together, okay? And I know y'all see me in my handy dandy shirt. I fry chicken in this shirt. I sleep in this shirt. I clean house in this shirt. I clearly decorate house in this shirt. Y'all gotta take what y'all can get until my Shein packages get here, okay? Okay. But anyway, enough of all of that. We're gonna hop straight into it, but before we do, y'all already know what I need y'all to do. I need you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, make sure you turn your post notifications on so you don't ever miss an upload or a community tab post, because I do post all my channel updates and life updates and such there quite often, okay? And last but not least, per usual, make sure you leave me some comments in the comment section down below and let me know what other videos y'all want to see from me. And yeah, got a little bit of work to do in the bedroom, like I said, some of which has already been done, so we're gonna hop straight into it. So I do still have the blue bench down here. I'll insert a clip of what the room looked like before, because I know in a couple of other videos some people pointed out that things were looking a little bit different. One thing that was different, I did have a lamp missing on that side of the room. It fell off the table and it broke. So I actually just gave the one that I had left to my daughter. I now have these really pretty olive green and gold lamps from Blinxxbeautee brand. Of course, I got them from Amazon. They're actually really, really big. I don't know if you can see how big that lamp is, but it covers damn near the entire table, and that's exactly what I was going for. I did decide that kind of to brighten the room up a little bit, I was gonna do a white comforter instead of this green one. However, because this is actually a quilt anyway, I'm probably gonna do a situation where I just like fold it up and put it at the foot of the bed, almost like a throw blanket. Also, the pillow situation. So I do like the blue pillows still, but the white ones in the back, I actually switched those out for leopard print, and I upgraded to queen size because I just felt like I needed a little bit more fluff. So let me show y'all those, because they're really, really cute. These literally scream Danny. Like, these are everything. They're super soft, and they came in a pack of 2. They were $10 for 2. Like, it legitimately looks like leopard print, okay? Machine washable, zipper closure, and they're like not silk or satin, but kind of like a soft like microfiber almost. I thought these were super cute, super excited to see how they pulled the look together. A lot of y'all also noticed that my lumbar pillow changed. It was leopard print before, as y'all saw in the previous clip. I have a problem, y'all. I really get sick of looking at the same shit for a long time, so I get to rearranging furniture and changing up decor multiple times a year. It needs to be studied, I think.
Bruh.
But anyway, so I felt like the colors in this pillow, you know, I gotta get y'all the close-up so y'all can see how beautiful it really is. So gorgeous. I have all those colors in my gallery wall in my bedroom. So when I saw this, I was like, I have to get this. This pillow is not from Amazon for once. This is actually from Yaya & Co. And I will make sure I link their website in the description box for anybody who wants to purchase this pillow. It was a little on the pricey side. We keep it real on this channel, okay? This pillow was not cheap, but it was definitely worth the money. And it came pre-stuffed. There was already a pillow in here. If you know anything about home decor, you know when you buy pillows, you usually only get the casing, or they call it a pillow cover. You don't get the insert too. You got to pay extra for that separately. So when I realized that this was an entire pillow, I was like, okay, I don't mind paying what I paid for it, because I didn't have to buy anything extra. So definitely excited to see what this looks like with the white comforter. And last but not least, I got some fuchsia velvet curtains. They are so freaking pretty. Let me show y'all. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all can see the actual color. These are 52 by 84. I already have them folded up because I literally just slide them straight on the rod like so. That way I don't have to redo that step later. I got these from Amazon. They came in a pack of 2, so I got 2 because I got 2 windows in here. So yeah, minor updates, but things that make a huge visual impact, okay? So I'm getting ready to go ahead and switch these curtains out, get this new comforter and these pillows on the bed. Then I have some major work to be done out in the front room at my office station. So I'm actually gonna give that a complete transformation as well. Stay tuned.
Pull back the top, shoot out the roof. Poof. I'ma stop putting these bitches on model. I'ma stop putting broke hoes on charters. Brother too muddy, he do too much. If he standing in the tub, might black out the wall. I was 20 years old with 6 different whips. Perfect good help about 10 different scripts. I guess she put a boot out. When niggas be flexing, like this ain't the same. Promises more for my shit playing. Niggas APs be looking like change. Don't you forget who showed you more. Showed you the life.
Okay, y'all, so here are the curtains in the back behind me. I think they turned out so freaking pretty. So the room is actually a shade darker, which I do kind of like. It's like a whole different vibe at this point. That's why I got the white comforter to kind of brighten up the space a little bit. I'm gonna keep the white curtains for my office space. Now I'm gonna tackle this bed.
Part of me, I just went crazy on the free. Part of me, I cooked that bon appetit. Part of me, I bought Chanel for 10 G's.
So like I said, I'm gonna fold this long ways so it can go across the foot of the bed. Okay, so I'm gonna just lay this down here at the bottom on the bench. So when it comes time for me to put it on the bed, all I have to do is literally just pick it up. So I've already taken the white comforter out of the packaging. I think I actually kind of want to brighten up the sheets too, because this one is darker than the one I had on it before. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and replace it because I don't like this color. See, this is more so the color of my actual pillowcases. I don't know if y'all can see the difference on camera, but it's nothing even remotely close to the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. For reference, this is literally the same color. I don't know what the hell that is.
Bruh.
Smashing that dope, she'll go. Feeling like an igloo now. Goons ready to hit you now.
Okay. You make it hard to talk about you. Like what I see, so I'm working my move. You give me butterflies. You the one for the mother guys. At the start, I told a couple lies, but after that, I swear I really tried. Cut the real about my past niggas, and I hope you never thinking otherwise. Sometimes my mind takes me places, and I wonder why. Why the fuck you got 2 phones, nigga? What you doing on that other line? Shit better be.
Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I didn't do a whole lot, but most times less is more and a little goes a long way. Let's take a look at the finished product.
Time, lay your ass in the worst way. Let you hit it on the first day. What you gonna do for big mama for real? What do I get for my birthday? 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 You gotta put put in some work today. Can you please do the most for me, cause I'm sprung? Can you give me some good dick till I come?
Period poo. I'm so in love with how it turned out. As I said earlier, I do still have to address the office area in the front of the house, so I will get to that in the next video. Unfortunately, a few of my Amazon packages did get delayed, so I do have to address that in a part 2 of this video. So we're gonna end it here, but before we go, y'all already know what I need you to do. I need you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you don't ever miss an upload, and leave me some comments down below. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.